Welcome, guys, to Trading Monk. It is 7 November. Donald Trump is president, and we're trading NASDAQ. So let me share screen you and open the trade. So we are still in a buy from early on, like 1 o'clock, half a minute ago, 30 minutes ago. In 4 minutes, there's GBP news, and I heard they're quite impressive news. So for Forex Factory, GBP Riley speaks. Okay. All right. So 40 bucks in. Another break of the high. Now we're looking to continue up and then retrace. And once we retrace and continue up again, we're going to move the stop loss a little bit higher. Actually, we can technically put it here. It looks safe. Don't know, but it looks safe. Is the one day candle has already flipped and continues to break the high. So basically on this touch, small rejection. Hopefully it goes up and doesn't retrace to our stop loss. If I will be around 100 euros profit before news, I'm closing it. Before the 1 hour news. So in 1 minute now, the news pop in. But it's a speak news, so I'm not sure it's gonna happen something straight away. But we'll see. So the news kick in. We had some sell pressure for like 7 points, but it looks healthy. It looks stronger to the upside still. And yeah, Monk Trading says you have to be disciplined. You have to be patient. Because if you're not patient and if you don't calculate right the risk, then Confucius says that you're gonna blow up many accounts like I did. And after I've read what Confucius said, I've decided I only enter afternoon for a couple of trades, definite number of trades, definite number of risk, and come back when the new volume comes tomorrow. So basically, in trading, is not about making money today; it's about making money every day. So as much as you make today, even if it's a lot, and if it's not too much, then you still have to be happy because you made money and come back tomorrow with new power and more energy and probably a better timing trade. It looks like when it hits this trend line, it wants to reverse. So I want it close above the trend line. So if the US dollar news are gonna drive up, then market pre-news is going to drive down. We're still not there. Still 1 hour to go. We expect this drive down to sell to buy like 10 to 15 minutes before the news. Da, mă. Ce? Mentos. Ce scrie? Mentos de-al ăsta. Skittles, Skittles, Skittles.
Asta că e ecstasy.
Cine e ăsta?
Colegul meu. Ecstasy, mă.
So even if you're gonna break even trade so far, I like to monitor if it goes way too fast to my stop loss. I'm trying to close it a little bit earlier, maybe for some profits. So let's keep it on the 5 minutes now for a while. 5 minutes is about to close in 4 minutes. And it got rejected, so direction is still up. New candle about to start. Previous candle wants to close bearish. If it closed bearish with a retracement, then it looks like still wants to go up because it closed almost bullish, but with a big bearish with a big rejection. So I'm assuming there's still energy to go up. So the rejection continues. Let's see how the 30 minutes looks. So far it's bearish, I think. Drawing tool removal. Don't know why I have this gap on my chart. It should not be there because it's this half an hour which it drove up. But still. So this 30 minutes rejected a bit. Now it looks like he wants to flip. I wanted to stay like bearish for a couple of 8 more minutes to see the other 15 minutes how they drive. So this 15 minutes is already turning bullish and it has 13 more minutes. Rejection happened, so we're anticipating it goes up more. Not yet. If it breaks the high, then it should go more. Trading monk. Yeah, so that's what I want to see. I want to see more rejection in this 13 minutes. So we have to go the other side in the other 15 minutes for this 30 minutes. Hope you understand what I said. As you can see, guys, my account has basically power to put like 20 micro contracts most, and I'm playing just with one. This should teach you a lot because one micro contract for the real world salary is a lot. So why would you risk more than your experience can handle? And why would you want more than you need? So for me right now, this one micro contract looks very tasty. I usually I usually work around 1 day for this money, so I'll go for it. I'll take this money anytime. 5 more minutes, new 5 minutes candle open. I like this. I like this. The selling pressure is like barely existent. We don't have a bottom. We have a bottom week as well. Very small, but we have it. And now we made a bigger one. For me, it's still bearish. Hopefully, it's gonna turn bullish in the next 5 minutes. So we're retesting this. Should retest this place now. and reject off of it to go up. Oh, very big bearish momentum. If this looks more dangerous, I'm gonna go for the break even. So I want to give it a little bit more room because the New York Open is not yet ready, not yet open. Okay, so we tested this zone now. Are we going to go lower? Yes. And looks like rejection is happening. So this new 15 minutes, so as we anticipated, the 30 minutes in the first 15 minutes of the candle, it retraced. And now the next 15 minutes, which comes in 2 minutes, should go back up. Hopefully we're gonna survive this drawdown and then basically move the stop loss in profit. One more minute for the 15 minutes to candle to start. So far we're back in the channel. So for the 5-minute candle should be okay. Let's see if we can close above this middle line, which would give me an indication it retraced more than half, and we continue up. New candle is on. New 15 minutes. So far making the bottom weak. Yep, a lot of pressure. A lot of selling pressure. So we're really not sure if we're gonna survive this. We're just happy we're break even. And if this is going not our way, then we're basically going to be waiting another trade that open and we're done for today. So already took one pre-market trade, which I wasn't supposed to do, but for some reason I still did it because of the presidentials, and I really believe that NASDAQ is making new higher highs because of Trump. So I felt like a little bit of fear of missing out, and I wanted to be in. So Now the 30 minutes is already half rejected, not half, almost. Fifteen more minutes for this 30 minutes candle. So in order to continue to go up, I hope it will close above the trend line and not below it. We still have 13 more minutes to go for this candle. So we pretty much have enough trust that it's going to drive up. But yeah, you never know. So when you never know, you better caution. You better navigate with caution and always calculate the probabilities. Sometimes the probabilities change. You're in a buy and you think it goes up and it goes up, it goes up, but then the probability changes and it has more probability to continue even more down, and you're still hoping to go up. So that's why I always analyze the probabilities as they go. Right now, for a close below, don't like the probabilities of still being in a buy, but the 30 minutes is it's not yet finished. It's like 12 more minutes. So yeah, God bless Trump. So yeah, we really should be above this middle line for a potential drive up. Again, selling pressure comes back down, thickens the bearish wick. Another time attempting to retrace to stay within the area withdrawal. Not that the market cares about the area withdrawal, but we drew it with some hope that it respects the place, and it should, but not if it closes below and outside of this trend line. Because like now I can update this, but if it goes even lower, don't like it. Because we have the support here, which we don't want to break. 11 more minutes for the candle to close. So far, not so big bearish pressure. From this area, we had big one here, big one here. So hopefully not a big one again. But I think we had it because market went down here. 10 more minutes for this 30 minutes candle and 40 more minutes for the news. New 5-minute open, then it opened bearish straight away, still respecting the trend line. There's possibility we reverse. Or no. Or we hit break even. It's one or the other. Always. One or the other. Yep, bearish pressure. A lot of bearish pressure. Looks like we're out. Three more minutes for this candle. Hopefully the other half of the 5 minutes candle will turn bullish because it doesn't have a top wick. So hopefully the magnet works this way. 60% of the candle already retraced, and 2.5 minutes to remain from this candle. Okay, here we go for the flip. And we have the flip. 2 more minutes for the candle to close. Hopefully it closes inside this rectangle and bullish. The 30 minutes looks just bit retraced so far. And there's 7 more minutes from this candle, so fingers crossed. Don't think it's gonna retrace full, but we never know. There's still one more candle besides this. Yep, the bullish power came back. Have a pretty face with a bigger eye and a smaller eye and a good mouth and maybe glasses. So this 5 minutes did its job. Now let's hope for the next 5 minutes that is going to flip the entire 30 minutes candle. And then we have a good sign for continuation. 35, 36 more minutes till New York news. Yep, this retraced. I don't like it. Not so much volume right now. Okay. Yep. As it turns like 30 minutes will flip. 4 more minutes for this candle. It's a flip. Yep, looks like it's going to climb. Maybe the 30 minutes is not flipping, but still the direction goes up as we made a rejection. We then made a selling pressure, and then we retraced half of it, especially above the support. So to be honest, it can close bearish as well. Three more minutes. Yeah, so we're not gonna have a full flip of this 30 minutes candle, but hopefully the next 30 is gonna make a small bottom wick and then flip. Because in the next 30 minutes the news are coming, so very difficult to anticipate what is happening with this volume. And because we are all at all-time high, I anticipate the news go down as well, just for a sub correction, because we're anyway at all-time high. One more minute, hopefully above the line. I want to see above the support. Fails. Okay, next 30 minutes is here. Attempted to go higher, closed above the support, so I'm still having hopes it will continue. Yeah, we moved the stop loss in profit. I want to be down with it soon, because I don't want to stay with the news. Okay, so maybe we are going to have new higher highs. We are attempting this 21,000. 21,000 is a psychological number. It is going to be a retracement out there. So we're expecting to go there before the news, and then with the news reject this area and come back with the New York Open. We'll see how our probabilities work, if they work on our favor or not. So basically, we had again, we're back to where we was maybe 35 minutes ago. It doesn't look he wants to play around this area. It looks he wants to break, break the area. We're having a bit of rejection about this. We're trying to close this other support above it. It looks he wants to play a bit. Still very small bearish power and very big bullish power. So we keep our hopes up. So what was the entry? We had fall off, and then once we broke this trend line here, rejected and then continued to go up. When we broke this high, we just took the entry. We could have got a better entry, but for me, it's better to make sure that I'm gonna be on plus when I entry, instead of making sure that I have the best position ever. So let's see, new higher highs. New higher highs, yep. Congrats, whoever is in this trade with me, guys. We're approaching another 22 points to this big psychological level. Okay, another rejection happening. 980. Small rejection just at the end of the candle. So this one goes still more up. We are 57 euros in profits. Rejection happening. So this new 5 candle opened, and it should retrace a little bit because this other 5 minutes was quite big. I'll take you to the candy shop. I'll let you look my lollipop. Come on, girl, please flip and rally. We need to hit 21,000. Yay! So like I said, I just won my $100 and then I'll be done for the day. We are working on a prop firm and we have a 20% consistency rule. So if we want to take the profit in 10 days, which is the minimum trading days, and the minimum buffer to pay out is 5%, which is $1,200. Then basically we need $120 per day to not have issue with the consistency rule and take the money out after 10 trading days or even more. But if we gonna have 2, 3, 400 per day, then it messes up the payout and it makes it harder. 71 euros up in the trade, 5 minute flipped, and it goes more up. Let's see this 1 hour. There's new 1 hour, which doesn't have a bottom wick, and it concerns me. It concerns me a lot. Does it have a bottom wick? Come on, baby, tell me. Tell me you have a wick. Tell me you have a small wick. You have a small wick. So small is not good either, but it's better than nothing. Don't know if anybody is watching me right now, but let's see. Anybody else? Anybody watching the trader monk, the monk trader? Nobody's watching that one. Nobody, I guess. Nobody, guys. You're gonna watch it later, because you're gonna ask me what to do, Andrew, to learn to trade, and I would say to you, come to my lives, and then when I finish live, go back on my lives, and that's the whole knowledge out there. You don't need the course. You don't need nothing. You just need some rules that you have to follow. And when you prove yourself you can follow the rules you put you in place, then maybe you're gonna get a payout. So trading is the only game that won't pay you until you know all the rules and all the style and respect everything that you decided you have to respect. Maybe you can cap in some payouts, but there's not gonna be nothing sustainable unless you know all the rules. Okay, so this I think is flipping here. Yeah, 21 minutes for the news, guys. I'm very scared of the news because I'm always to my profit target, and if the news wick up or down, they're gonna make me some problems. Either too much profit, either taking all my money back. So I'm gonna watch before and close it. New 5 minutes opened, small bottom wick, and wants to go up again. And I put this take profit out here. Maybe it wicks up and takes me out and then continues down. There's a lot of buying pressure. I cannot believe it's this much buying pressure. Don't even know when to expect a reversal because they're so small candles and they look tiny and without any help. So the probability for the buy stays on. But because we made new higher high now, we should expect some retracement. So if this candle retraces a bit and the next one wants to retrace as well, I'm gonna close to not lose the profits. Anyway, we're going close to the news. My better three, you're too sweet for me. Mhm, mhm. Okay, so not much retracement from this 5 minute candle. In the first minute, the retrace, now it flipped. So we really anticipate breaking the highs again. Come on, 21,000. Come on, 21,000 and higher. Like 15 to 16 points from our take profit. $85 so far. Three more minutes from this candle, and it looks like the other half of the candle is gonna drive up because it wants to stay above the previous high. So I'm anticipating a bigger, higher high now. But again, deep psychological area should look for a reversal, or I think it already looks for like it. I don't want to give him nothing back, man. To be honest, yeah. From this point, I'm out. If I would have been on a live broke on a regular normal broker, basically I would have kept it to the news because I have good faith it's going up. But you never know, so I have faith, but my faith doesn't say nothing about it. My faith is just my faith. Market does whatever he wants. Still a lot of buying power. 4 more points, 3 more points. Come on. Come on, 21,000. Come on, 21,000. We wait for you since 2013. If you guys are new and don't know what to trade, just look at NASDAQ for like many years. 2023, cannot believe. 2023. 2 years ago it was hot. And yeah, 50 years of market data. 2020, 6,000. And we're trading 21,000. I cannot believe, man. Man, so big change after COVID. COVID ripped everything out. I want to say I love. Well, I think I said the bad word, which is going to block my news. Bovid. The Bovid is making the market rally. The market loves war and problems. Small steps, but attempting 2 more points, 1.5 points, 2 more points, 3 more points, rejected. 15 minutes, new 15 minutes, it's open. I think it's going to have a rejection. There's new 15 minutes it's open. It made a bottom week. Let's see if it attends higher. So since we opened, there's no 15 minutes that closed bearish. This I don't like. Yeah, like I said, I don't like. Want to be out. Okay. Yeah, we're done. We are done. Thank you guys for now. For now, like I said, 21,000 rejection. Not quite hit 21,000, but still. And we have only half of the profit that we need because we had the $20 lose in the morning. And now we're gonna wait for the news, see how the news drive the market, and come back for open. So yeah, thank you guys. This is Monk Trading every day pre-market, New York Open. Peace. See you in a bit.